that with the fact that matter is matter, and my hands don't go through one another. Well, that's crazy, because if it's mostly empty space, they should pass right through one another. But what we understand now is, in fact, that the reason my hands don't go through one another is that while the space is empty, what it's filled with is really electric fields.
When the electrons come within a very small distance of each other, they begin to repel each other, and that's why things appear to be solid when they are actually not. Now, you may think that I'm sitting on this chair, but actually that's not true. I'm actually hovering over this chair, 10 to the minus 8 centimeters over this chair, because of the electrons of my body are repelling the electrons of this chair.